Okay, so I've been given a hotpoint cordless Hoover and a lovely AO.com to review. On the front, as you can see, you have your power, your battery, your suction and air filter. Just plugs in to the back and you just unplug it when it's done. Here you have for your handheld side and you push it over for the suction. It's got a nice long hose with a brush on the end. We have the main power and on the handle minus, less suction, more suction. It can take 2 to 3 hours for it to fully charge, but you do get around 50 minutes usage, so enough to do a whole house. Fully charged, you just unplug it, cover it over and you're done. You turn it on. As you can hear, it's not very loud. That's maximum. Nice and light. The flooring. Gets right up to the cupboard doors. So to use the hose, remember to flip it over, push the lever down and it pulls out. Nice slim nozzle. One for your brush. This is a bit tight to do single-handedly. As you can see, I am struggling. Pushes it down, sits nicely inside. The handheld part is quite nice. We've recently had a new kitchen, so I've managed to be able to get inside all the cupboards and give it a nice little hoover. I must say, as you can see, I'm trying to get it, it doesn't fully stand straight, so you keep thinking it's going to fall over. The suction isn't great. It's okay for wooden floors, but I wouldn't like to try and pick up if you've got a lot of mess. Overall, it's okay. It's average. To empty, you've got a little button. As you can see, it comes out. Push that there, flips out, and down here is where the battery is stored, nice and light. Just pushes in. Overall, probably 4 out of 10.